Hello, and welcome back to the Business Automation Podcast, Igniting Innovation in 3 Minutes. I'm your host, Greg Dawson, and in today's episode, we're focusing on efficient vendor management with automation. If you've ever been entangled in the complex web of managing vendors, you'll know how essential effective and efficient processes are. Vendor management involves everything from vendor onboarding and contract negotiations to performance assessment and payments. In a business environment marked by a multitude of vendors, different agreement terms, multiple invoices, and varying performance standards, managing all these aspects can be daunting and labor-intensive. This is where automation comes into play. By automating vendor management processes, businesses can achieve efficiency, accuracy, and improved supplier relationships. Let's delve deeper into how automation aids each stage of vendor management. First of all, automation can help with vendor onboarding. With automation, the lengthy and often complicated process of onboarding vendors can be simplified. Automated workflows ensure that all necessary documents are collected, relevant checks are completed, and the vendor details are correctly entered into the system. This not only saves time, but also reduces errors that could cause issues down the line. Another area that automation can improve is contract negotiations and management. Automating contract management can aid in tracking contract milestones, sending alerts for renewal or renegotiation, and maintaining a central repository of all contracts. This can prevent missed deadlines and ensure efficient contract handling. Automation can also simplify invoice processing and payments. Automation can help in processing invoices faster, ensuring timely payments, and maintaining accurate records. This reduces manual effort, prevents payment delays, and improves vendor relationships. Finally, consider using automation for vendor performance evaluations. Automation can assist in tracking vendor performance against defined key performance indicators, KPIs, providing insights to aid vendor evaluation and strategic decision-making. Implementing automation for vendor management not only streamlines the process, but also ensures compliance with regulatory requirements and reduces the risk of fraud. It also allows for a more strategic approach to vendor management, helping businesses select and maintain relationships with the best vendors, driving value for the organization. However, as with any implementation of automation, it's important to carefully plan the transition, ensuring that employees are trained to manage and make the most of the automated systems. That's all for today's episode of the Business Automation Podcast, Igniting Innovation in 3 Minutes. Join us next time for automated compliance training for regulatory adherence, where we'll discuss how automation can help businesses stay on top of changing regulatory requirements. Until then, I'm Greg Dawson signing off. Keep innovating and stay efficient. In full transparency, AI was used